A. Okay. So first you have to do small curve, then go up, then here you do again small curve, and then with the same line you have to come back and do C curve. Okay. Then from here you have to go up and join here, and again you have to come down with the same line. Okay, and here do small curve. Okay, this is our cursive A. See here, I show you. From blue line we have to start. So do small curve, then go up, then again curve, then with the same line you come back and do C curve, touch here in the blue line, and then go up. In the same line you have to come back and do small curve. This is our cursive A. Okay, small curve, go up, curve, come back with the same line, do C curve, then go up straight and touch here, then come back in the same line and do small curve. This is our cursive A. Okay, from here you have to start. You have to do small curve, then go up, then again do small curve, then come back with the same line and do C curve. Okay, from here you have to go back and join here, then come back with the same line and do again small curve. This is proper way to write cursive letter. Okay, some students are doing like this. First do C, then like this, then like this, but it's not proper way. We should always follow this way when we write cursive letters. If we write any spelling, we have to follow this way. For example, now I write here apple, A-double-P-L-E, apple. So you can see here, by this way I can write properly this spelling. Understood? If you write like this, this is not proper way. Okay, this is not proper, and see here, it's proper way. So we should always follow this way when we write cursive letter, when we write cursive writing. Okay, understood? Again we do small curve, then go up, then do small curve, then come back with a C curve, then go up, join here, come back to the same line and do small curve. Small curve, go up, do small curve, then come back with a C curve and do and join here, go up, join here, then come back and do small curve. This is our cursive A. Understood? Okay, this is your homework. You have to finish your homework. Okay, till then, bye bye.